Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure both devices have enough power and your phone's Bluetooth is active. That prevents mid-process drops. Once done, leave Airpods in their case, open the lid, and press and hold the rear setup button until the LED flashes white. That puts them into pairing mode. Now go to Android settings, right arrow Bluetooth, and scan. This is the first actionable move because it creates the wireless handshake. Without pairing mode, Android cannot detect the Airpods. After your phone shows the Airpods name, tap to pair. You'll see a confirmation and Android will route audio and call profiles automatically. Make sure to allow any permission prompts so media and call audio work. That's why you confirm permissions now. If you want battery levels and custom touch controls, install a third-party companion app from the Play Store and follow its quick setup. It reads Bluetooth attributes and maps gestures. This adds convenience because stock Android lacks. You finish by testing playback, calls, and any gestures you configured. Play a short clip and make a quick call to confirm the mic and audio routing. Make sure Android's Bluetooth profile lists media and call as active, and set your preferred voice assistant if you use tap and hold. If something goes wrong, perform a reset. Put Airpods in the case, hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED blinks amber then white. Then repair. That clears stale pairings and often fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.